how much YouTube paid me for 181,000 views. Okay, so I have more than 2 channels, all right, and the channels are different niches, all right, and each of the channels, the revenue are not the same. And so in this video I'm going to share with you how much I got paid for an entertainment channel. Okay, a niche, entertainment niche. The revenue you get from an entertainment niche is different from the revenue you get from an educational niche. But that being said, there's a way you can upload your video even though you are into an entertainment or lifestyle niche. Okay, there's a way you can upload your video and your revenue, your RPM will still be high. I'll make a different video about that. For now, let's dive into my screen so we can see things together. All right, so in this video I made over 181,400 views. Okay, as you can see on the screen. In this video, the audience retention was 2.16, as in the average time people watch my video is 2 minutes 16 seconds. That was the audience retention in this video, which is above 45%. Is also is also good for the channel, for the video. The minimum is 50%. Okay, so 45 is not that bad. And the video had an intro without a top moment. There was no spike, there was no dip. All right, 24% of the viewers were still watching at around 0.30 mark, right? So we'll move over to the reach. The watch time, this video had over 6.8 thousand watch time. All right, move over to the subscribers. This video generated 1.2 subscribers in this channel. Okay, move over to the impression. This video alone got 1.4 million impression. That is over 1.4 million people saw this video. So that is the impression over here. And how viewers find this video. The video was found through suggestion. So if YouTube recommend your video or suggest your video, leave it. Just know that that video will rank one of the popular video in that channel. All right, just whatever you're doing, just hope YouTube suggests your video, because if YouTube suggests your video, that is the highest blessings you can experience on YouTube straight. All right, and the second one, the suggested video was 38.6%, the YouTube search was 19.6%, views from the playlist was around 18%, browse features and others. The external site where people watch this video from, one of them was from Google search, which is 14.3%, and the other one from WhatsApp, and the third was whatsapp.com, which was 7.9%. Now move over to the search terms, the terms people use in searching for this video. Number one is vein, Mezia vein. That was when this sound was trending. Okay, this is the reason why I said always jump on trending news, trending sound. There was a time last year, by the time I was recording this video, vein song was really trending. Okay, wherever you go to, you're going to listen to vein. Okay, so on that entertainment niche, I decided to jump on it, and you can see I got over 1,200 subscribers. So trending news is also important as a upcoming YouTuber. Content suggesting this video, you can see that Messiah Vein new viral video suggested this video by 16%. Avale Murillo, as in the owner of the song, suggested this video with 4.8%, as you can see below. All right, so the playlist featuring this video, you can see the mix differ suggested this video, and you can see all that. All right, so let's move over to the engagement. Okay, impression click-through rate. This video got over 6.5 click-through rate, and if you want your video to be successful on YouTube, your minimum click-through rate should be 5%, 5.0 and above. Okay, that should be your minimum click-through rate. If you have a lower click-through rate like 2.0, 1.5, that video will struggle to rank. Okay, so also consider your click-through rate when publishing your videos. And now we'll move over to the engagement. Over to the engagements, as I said before, the watch time was over 6.8 thousand, and we have over 208 remix. Like, people remixed that particular video. There was a part they remixed it. Now whenever they are remixing that video, you as the original creator of that video, you still get revenue from wherever they are streaming the remix part from. Okay, you still get revenue and you still get views, because once they are viewing that remix part, it will lead them in one way or the other, lead them to the original source of the video, thereby you also generate views for that same video. All right, so now we move over to audience. Let's see the people that were watching this video. You can see right here that the people watching with TV was 46.4%, as in they were streaming from their TV set. All right, and the people watching with a mobile phone was 44.1%. 44.1% people view this video with their mobile phone, and computer, 5.8% of people view with their computer, right? And tablet, 3.6 people view with their tablet. And these are the age that we're watching this video, that we're really engaging on this video. 13 to 17 years was around 4.1, 18 to 24. That means most of the viewers were ranking from 18 years to 44. All right, as you can see. And to the top geographical area, you know, whenever your subscribers are viewing or your viewers are streaming from, really matters. If they are streaming from the United States, from the UK, from Australia, from Germany, you know that your revenue will be very, very big. Okay, and your revenue, your RPM can come out to be $30 to $20. All right, but if you are viewing from this other African countries that pays very low for CPM, your revenue will be so small. So in Nigeria, I got 9.6%. Shout out to my Nigerian subscribers, you guys are the best. Kenya, I had 8.0, Ghana, we had 4.5, and so on. If you want to check, you'll see that. All right, Cote d'Ivoire 3.7 and Congo 3.1. So the top subtitle is not subscribe. Wow, 99% of the viewers did not subscribe. So how did I get the 1.2 subscribers? Well, that is all. And now this is the moment you have been waiting for. All right, so I'm going to be revealing how much I made for 181,000 views. Note that this is because the niche was an entertainment niche. If it were to be an educational niche, this revenue would have been tripled. Like, so this is what we generated from this video. This video gave us $38.50. okay, you can see how you make the money from watch page ad, YouTube Premium. The RPM for this video was 0.21, because it was under entertainment, right? I was starting, so I never knew. And the video gave me 181 views. And advertisers paid? They paid $3.14. For each 1,000 views, they paid for $3.14. Why? For each 1,000 views, YouTube paid me 0.21. okay, so earning type was from skippable ad, bumper ad, non-skippable ad, display ad. Okay, so sometimes YouTube said we shouldn't encourage our viewers to, okay, let me keep quiet before they take down my channel. I don't want to lose this particular channel. All right, so that is all for this video. I was able to get $38.50 from this channel. So in every 1,000 views, YouTube was paying me $0.21, and the advertisers, like the people that paid for ad to be shown on my video, they paid $3.14. okay, the reason why the RPM is this low is because of the geographical area my views were coming from. If the views was to come from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, and you will notice that I would have been getting $5 to $10 for each 1,000 views. Okay, The reason why I got this is because of the niche. This was really an entertainment video. Okay, so the entertainment video revenue is actually different from a money making revenue. Sorry, it's actually different from a money making niche or an educational niche. All right, so that is all about this video. In the next video, I'm going to do a breakdown of how much I generated from an educational content, which is even better than entertainment content. All right, so I've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.